If you're looking for the best makeup brushes, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Real Techniques Powder Plus Bronzer Brush. Real Techniques is an excellent fallback for babes on a budget. The brand's beloved Powder Plus Bronzer Brush picks up any powder with ease, dusts it evenly over your skin, and delivers a stunning streak-free finish. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Ecotools On The Go Style Kit. When it comes to the best makeup brushes, Ecotools reigns in the drugstore aisle. The brand's on-the-go style kit comes with not 1 but 4 application tools, including a foundation brush, a blurring brush, and 2 eyeshadow brushes. The number 3 position is held by Artis Elite Oval 8 Brush, recommended by BarePro. The Artis Elite Oval Brush is a go-to for makeup artists and beauty aficionados alike. From applying and blending to blurring and sculpting, there's not much this splurge-worthy brush can't do. Next at number 4 we have Sigma Fadi Flat Kabuki Brush. BarePro is also a fan of the Fadi from Sigma Beauty. This flat-head Kabuki brush boasts soft yet dense fibers for blending and buffing your favorite liquid or cream. The number 5 position is held by bareMinerals BarePro Core Coverage Brush. Those in the powder foundation camp will love bareMinerals BarePro Core. Designed for maximum control and blendability, this retractable brush delivers quick, detailed coverage and an airbrush finish. The number 6 position is dominated by IT Cosmetics Heavenly Skin CC Plus Skin Perfecting Brush. IT Cosmetics makes some of the best makeup brushes out there today, but the Heavenly Skin has 702 stands out from the rest. Designed for CC cream stands, the hygienic fibers are infused with skin-loving silk, peptides, and niacin for a healthier-looking complexion and a beautiful finish. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Morph 164 Small Flat Angled Contour. When it comes to defining and sculpting your face, the Morph 164 is tough to beat. This flat angled contour brush features super soft and notably short bristles for precise placement and easy blending. The number 8 position is held by e.l.f. Cosmetics Blush Brush. Blush brushes don't need to be anything fancy. That's why we appreciate this simple black number from e.l.f. Cosmetics. The tapered head and soft synthetic fibers provide beautiful definition and soft sculpting on your cheekbones. Next at number 9 we have Wet n Wild Fan Brush. When applying powder highlighter, we recommend a fan design, like this wallet-friendly option by Wet n Wild. Mimicking the consistency of natural hairs, the extra soft synthetic bristles effortlessly pick up shimmery pigments, while the ergonomic handle makes it easy to dust powder across the high points of your face. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Smashbox All-Over Shadow Brush. Lori Taylor Davis, Global Pro Lead Artist for Smashbox Cosmetics, stands behind the All-Over Shadow Brush. Makeup brushes should be thought of as an extension of your hand. She tells Fadi, and this innovative tool makes it easy to apply and blend your favorite mattes and shimmery eyeshadows. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.